Sino yung ano? Aray
Big
ko.
on door, no. Drop it on the gate.
Lagak ko ah.
Come to the gate, Jackets. Come to the gate.
Come to us. Come to us. Come to us.
Okay, come.
Second gate na sila.
Yeah. Come. All of your east inside. 3, 2, 1. All of your east. Fast. Okay, good job.
Middle yung ano.
I'm lagging.
Malapit naman
Hindi
sila.
pala tayo
Okay, tanks hover na north. Rest of you comes out.
One zone away, Orius.
Nag-engage yung Fika.
Pilot nga, isang tank sa ano, sa suicide.
May nakatingin ba sa likod natin?
Sira na yung gate ah.
One
Going
tank
to-
look ah, one tank look. Hello.
Be ready. DPS, come. Ready. We're gonna hit over the wall. Ready.
Lalabas
Ready.
lalabas sa...
Yeah, kabak east. Stay with me.
Bumalik.
Yeah. Wait here. Qs and W speak here. Qs and W speak. Ayo, def.
Ajay ko sa ano? Ajay ko sa ako.
Yeah, heal.
8.3 sa loob mo. 8.3
Puti ko
sa
na ba
loob mo.
kayo?
Yeah. Look. Ready. Inside. 3, 2, 1. Kill him.
Likod mo.
Kill him now. Ready def. This is Lapping Boulevard. Occult back. Gig pot, please. Gig pot out. Silver Swan, wag ka na mag-loot. No regear, stupid ass. Come southeast. Hold them down. Come east. Northeast, boys. Come northeast. Yeah. Come northeast. Listen to me and come northeast. Come northwest now. Give me one more occult. Yo, cleanse, night helmets, nice. Cleanse that. Ready. Southeast, 3, 2, 1, southeast south. Blow this up. And then come back fast. Cleanse. Cleanse the backline. Don't dismount anybody. Keep walking. One more occult. Keep walking. Purity rope. Def. Nice bedrock. Walk southeast. Counter. Ready. Northwest. Look northwest. 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Where's the perma? Yo, everybody spread and run. Oh my god. Out. Get out.
Hindi pala tayo naka-OC.
Dami din nag-OC.
Yo, guys, listen. Regear and come back. It's fine.
Gago, napatay ko yung...
Yo, di tayo nakapag-lag, chicks.
Matay yung longbow.
Napatay ko yung longbow.
Ikaw ba nakapatay? Akala ko nag-latch.
Regear. It's fine. Regear. Promise, regear. Winnable.
Tara.
Level 4D. Yung second floor nata.
Hammer.
Ay, siya na may mag...
Play with the circle lang, Kiro. Ako na mag-scout.
Dapat yung Hodge, hindi na kailangan ng hammer eh. Hammer na yan.
Baliw.
Come. Kill the mobs here. Okay, where are they?
May brawlers dito sa first floor lang. Nasa gilid.
Come south. And then, okay.
Lilikod lang to eh.
Dismounted na sila. Yeah. Jace, careful over the walls.
Wala tayong bedrock.
Meron, si Aray ko.
Wala sa aray ko dito eh.
Ay, putya, asan na si Aray ko?
Wala ata tayong guard doon.
Wala akong makapik. Cleanse na lang ako. Uy,
Look, what? Why are we... Boss Green, bakit ka nagra-random eh?
Para doon sa mob sana, naka-aim pala sa'yo.
Di, wag na mag-E.
Dismounted na.
Yeah. Wag mag-E.
one shot lang yan sa likod natin ah.
Careful ha, ma-hold pa rin tayo niyan. Wala pa rin disarray ha. Nagtatago pa yung mga ano niyan.
Kukuha rin natin
Baka
tayo
nandun lang
dito eh.
sa dungeon
Pagbukas
sa
na
south.
ito eh.
Kung saan lumabas kanina. South natin,
sino
tabi ng
guys?
bato.
All in na to, all in.
Dito.
Gondor, don't use any more of that. Don't use any more. It's okay. Okay, let's wait for the occult. Let's wait for the occult. Just wait here. Comes out.
Check.
Wait here.
Shell
Wait here.
hits deep.
Duke, stay with me.
Shell hits deep.
Nawala din isa sa party 1. Yun, wala.
Come east.
Mantayin yung likod ah.
Ready. Wait.
Ready
Ready, east
dito
of
sa
me.
brawler sa may southeast side.
Sige. Ready. Just wait. Just be ready,
Wait ka,
boys.
Kiro dun.
Ready. East of me. 3, 2,
Meron na sa likod mo, Oris,
East of me now. Agad,
Likod mo,
kabak.
Orias, likod mo, Orias, likod mo, Orias.
Occult agad. Yo, where's the fucking occult? Hello? Second occult. Flop.
Ginamit ko lang.
Yo, Gondor, come. Look, come. Come southeast now. Come southeast. Cleanse.
Cleanse.
Demon inside. Gigpot now. Everybody, gigpot. Guys, don't wait for me to call gigpot. Hello? Ready. Look. Wait now. Wait here. Spread. Keep
Hindi,
walking.
malayo yung main circle nila,
Keep
malayo
walking.
yung
Yeah. Keep walking. Look at me.
Hindi ko to.
Yeah, just everybody get out.
Ang mga ko na hinala, nasa
Wala
likod
yun.
nga silang dungeon. Yung kanina lumabas.
Guys, I told you. My God. Never mind. Gondor, I told you use it defensively. Why did you use the occult on the front? Use it when we're coming up.
Akin yun.
Oh, it's you? Okay. My
Yep.
God.
Sabi mong occult block, may naiwan pa kasi sa loob na deep top.
Hayaan mo, Tax. Hayaan mo yun.
Thank you, Kiro, so much.
Uy, Gagi, dapat di ka na nag-ano, Kiro. Guys, look, okay? Wait, just wait. There are only 7 disarray, look.
The fuck? Ginagawa
Ang pangit ng GA ko dun sa likod. Putang ina. May bubble eh.
Hintay na talaga na tayo pumasok sa second gate, Tourist, kasi nagpasok.
Ano, no?
Hintay tayo pumasok sa second gate.
Tsaka
Hindi, kailangan natin pumasok doon. Hindi lalabas yun eh. We could manage that shit out. Jesus Christ. Look.
Wala lang ata demons mo. Nawala
Hindi,
yung bedrock eh.
Hindi, yung kulang din doon. Tignan mo, nung kulang doon. Well, it's okay. Do re-gears right now. Right after. Wait lang ha. Watch natin VOD, guys. Look.
Okay na.